Hi there, I'm Gary Wakely and I work at the Bristol Public Library in Bristol, Virginia. And I'm here today to show you how to put together a VerkStan 3D printed face shield. If you have a 3D printer but haven't printed the file, the first thing to do is do a Google search for VerkStan face shield. The first link up should be the NIH. Go ahead and click on that, and that will take you to their page with the VerkStan face shield file. Click on Download, download the file, put it through your slicer, and print it on your 3D printer. The shield file includes a spacer for your hole punch. If the spacer doesn't fit, create a spacer with these dimensions: 13 millimeters wide by 52 millimeters long by 3 millimeters high. Align the spacer with the end of your hole punch like this. Place your plastic sheet in the punch and butt it up against the spacer. Make sure the sheet does not ride up and over the spacer. Punch the first 3 holes. Take the sheet out, flip it over, and align it back in again. This can be a little bit tricky. Butt it up again against the plastic spacer. Punch the last 3 holes, and you're now ready to put it on your face shield. Now that you've got your printed shield and punched plastic, let's assemble. This is the top of the shield here. You can see this bottom has a depression on it, so you want to keep the top up. Go ahead and align the plastic sheet with 2 holes on the side and simply pop them onto the posts. Continue around the front of the shield, popping the posts onto the front. At this point, the plastic sheet will be kind of tight. That's expected in order to keep the sheet taut and crisp. The last 2 in particular are a little difficult to get on. That's not a problem. Stretch the sheet, you're not going to hurt it. Once it's in place, you now have a fully assembled VerkStan face shield.